There are moments in history when everything we thought we knew suddenly becomes smaller. Humanity has experienced these moments before, when we realized the Earth was not the center of the universe, when we first walked on the moon, and when powerful telescopes revealed billions of galaxies beyond our own. Every generation witnesses a discovery that changes the way people look at the cosmos. The year 2026 has become one of those unforgettable moments. Imagine looking into the night sky and realizing that what appears silent is actually filled with extraordinary activity. Every star tells a story. Every planet hides a mystery. Every distant galaxy carries secrets from billions of years ago. For decades, scientists have searched for answers about how the universe began, how planets are formed, and whether life exists beyond Earth. Today, one remarkable discovery is bringing us closer than ever before. This discovery is not exciting simply because it is new. It matters because it challenges long-held assumptions. It reminds us that the universe is far more creative than human imagination. Every time we think we have reached the limits of knowledge, the cosmos quietly reveals another layer waiting to be explored. What makes this discovery so extraordinary is the amount of evidence collected using advanced space telescopes, deep space observations, and years of careful analysis. Rather than relying on speculation, scientists have pieced together clues from light that traveled across unimaginable distances. Those tiny signals have become the foundation of one of the most fascinating scientific stories of our time. As researchers examined the latest observations, they noticed patterns that could not be explained by previous models. Objects behaved differently than expected. Structures appeared where none should exist. Ancient light revealed details from the early universe with astonishing clarity. A discovery that changes our understanding of the universe. The speech explains how one major space discovery in 2026 has challenged existing scientific theories and expanded humanity's understanding of the cosmos. The biggest space discovery of 2026 represents far more than another scientific headline. It marks a turning point in humanity's understanding of the universe and challenges ideas that scientists have accepted for many years. Every generation experiences discoveries that completely reshape the way people think about space, and this breakthrough stands among those historic moments. Using advanced telescopes, powerful instruments, and years of careful observation, researchers uncovered evidence that revealed unexpected features of the cosmos. Instead of confirming everything scientists expected to find, the new observations raised exciting questions and suggested that the universe is even more complex than previously imagined. This discovery reminds us that science is not about proving we already know everything, it is about remaining open to new evidence and continuously improving our understanding. Every answer leads to another mystery waiting to be explored. As technology becomes more advanced, humanity gains the ability to observe regions of space that were once impossible to study. These discoveries help explain how galaxies evolve, how planets are formed, and how the universe has changed over billions of years. More importantly, they inspire people around the world to look toward the night sky with curiosity and wonder. The greatest achievement is not simply making one remarkable discovery but recognizing that the universe still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. Every new finding becomes the foundation for future exploration and encourages humanity to continue asking questions that once seemed impossible to answer. The power of scientific curiosity and teamwork. It highlights that groundbreaking discoveries are achieved through years of research, advanced technology, international collaboration, and persistent effort. Every remarkable space discovery begins long before the world hears about it. Behind every headline are years of dedication, patience, and collaboration involving thousands of scientists, engineers, programmers, technicians, and researchers working toward a common goal. The biggest space discovery of 2026 is a perfect example of what humanity can accomplish when knowledge, innovation, and determination come together. Building advanced telescopes, designing sensitive scientific instruments, and analyzing enormous amounts of data require countless hours of careful work. Many experiments do not produce immediate results, and some ideas must be revised or even abandoned before progress is made. Yet every challenge teaches valuable lessons that move science one step forward. Curiosity is the driving force behind these efforts because it encourages people to ask questions that have never been answered before. Instead of accepting the unknown, researchers continue exploring with patience and an open mind. International cooperation also plays an essential role, as experts from different countries contribute their skills, knowledge, and resources to solve complex problems that no single individual or nation could solve alone. This discovery reminds us that the greatest achievements are rarely the result of one brilliant moment. They are built through years of persistence, teamwork, and a shared passion for understanding the universe. By working together and never giving up, humanity continues to push the boundaries of exploration and reveal the incredible mysteries hidden among the stars. Lessons the universe teaches humanity. The speech emphasizes humility, patience, and lifelong learning, showing that the more we discover about space, the more we realize how much remains unknown. One of the greatest lessons this remarkable space discovery teaches is that the universe is far more vast and mysterious than human imagination can fully grasp. Every time scientists make a breakthrough, they also uncover new questions that challenge what was once considered certain. This reminds us to remain humble, because no matter how advanced our technology becomes, there is always more to learn. The stars, galaxies, and distant planets have existed for billions of years, following the laws of nature long before humanity began studying them. Their quiet existence teaches patience, showing that the greatest changes often happen over immense periods of time rather than in an instant. This perspective encourages us to appreciate steady progress instead of expecting immediate answers. Curiosity is another valuable lesson inspired by the universe. It is the desire to understand the unknown that motivates explorers, scientists, and dreamers to continue searching beyond the limits of current knowledge. Every observation, every calculation, and every discovery brings humanity one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. At the same time, the universe reminds us that knowledge is never complete. Each new discovery opens another door filled with possibilities waiting to be explored. By embracing humility, patience, and curiosity, we not only become better scientists but also wiser individuals who recognize that learning is a lifelong journey, and the greatest discoveries often begin with a single question. How this discovery shapes the future of space exploration. It discusses how the 2026 discovery will influence future space missions, telescope designs, scientific research, and the search for new worlds and possible extraterrestrial life. The biggest space discovery of 2026 is not only important for what it reveals today but also for the opportunities it creates for the future of space exploration. Every major breakthrough provides scientists with new questions to investigate and helps shape the direction of upcoming research. Information gathered from this discovery can influence the design of more advanced telescopes, powerful satellites, and ambitious space missions aimed at exploring distant planets, moons, and galaxies. Researchers can use these findings to improve existing models of how the universe formed, how stars and planetary systems evolve, and where the most promising locations for future observations may be found. As technology continues to advance, future spacecraft may carry instruments capable of studying regions of space that are currently beyond our reach. This discovery also strengthens the search for environments that could potentially support life, encouraging scientists to examine planets with greater precision and develop new methods for detecting important chemical signatures in distant atmospheres. Beyond scientific research, the discovery inspires governments, universities, and private space organizations to invest in new exploration projects and innovative technologies. It reminds humanity that every answer leads to another challenge worth pursuing. Instead of marking the end of a journey, this achievement becomes the beginning of countless new missions that will deepen our understanding of the universe and inspire future generations to continue exploring the endless mysteries of space. Why this discovery inspires the entire world. The speech concludes by explaining how major space discoveries ignite curiosity, encourage innovation, inspire future scientists, and remind humanity that exploration is an endless journey. The biggest space discovery of 2026 has the power to inspire people far beyond the scientific community because it reminds humanity that curiosity and exploration are shared human qualities. When groundbreaking discoveries capture the world's attention, they encourage millions of people to look up at the night sky with a renewed sense of wonder. Young students may become interested in astronomy, physics, engineering, or mathematics after hearing about the achievement, while educators find new ways to spark curiosity in their classrooms. Engineers and researchers are motivated to develop more advanced technologies, knowing that today's innovations can lead to tomorrow's extraordinary breakthroughs. Public excitement also strengthens support for future space missions, allowing scientists to continue exploring the universe with increasingly powerful tools. At the same time, these discoveries encourage people to appreciate Earth from a broader perspective. Seeing our planet as a small world within an immense universe reminds us of the importance of protecting our environment and working together across nations. Space exploration demonstrates that remarkable achievements are possible when people unite around a common purpose rather than focusing on differences. Every new discovery expands not only scientific knowledge but also human imagination, encouraging us to dream beyond today's limitations. The universe continues to reveal astonishing mysteries, and each breakthrough inspires future generations to ask bold questions, pursue ambitious goals, and continue the endless journey of exploration that defines the human spirit.